Every 60 seconds, a brand new car rolls out of a factory. But have you ever wondered how thousands of parts become one perfect vehicle? The journey begins long before the car exists, with giant rolls of raw steel arriving at the factory. Each steel coil weighs several tons and will eventually become doors, roofs, and body panels. The steel is carefully unrolled and fed into powerful stamping machines. Now the transformation begins.
Each press shapes steel into precise vehicle components. Every curve is engineered to fractions of a millimeter.
Thousands of panels are created every single day. Doors, hoods, roofs, and fenders begin taking shape. Next, these individual pieces move to body assembly. This is where hundreds of robots take over. Robots position each panel with incredible accuracy. Then thousands of weld points permanently join the structure. The car finally begins looking like a real vehicle. The car finally begins looking like a real vehicle. Every weld is inspected by advanced sensors. Only perfect structures move forward. Before painting, the body must be cleaned thoroughly. Special treatments protect the car from rust.
Now the paint robots begin their work.
Every layer is applied evenly and flawlessly. The color code gives the vehicle its identity. A final clear coat creates deep shine and protection. While the body is painted, another team builds the engine. Workers and robots install precision components. Every bolt must meet exact torque specifications. Engines are tested before joining the vehicle. Now the engine is ready for marriage.
The body and drivetrain become one.
Next comes the interior. Dashboard systems are installed first. Thousands of wires connect every feature. Seats are added one by one. Glass panels transform the shell into a car. Final trim pieces complete the interior.
Now comes the moment of truth.
Every system is tested.
Brakes, lights, and safety features are verified. Laser systems check panel alignment. Even tiny imperfections are detected.
Only vehicles meeting strict standards pass. The completed vehicle receives its final cleaning. Protective covers keep it flawless. The car is now ready to leave the factory.
Special carriers transport vehicles across the country.
Some travel thousands of miles to dealerships. After months of engineering and assembly, the journey is almost complete.
And that's how raw steel becomes a finished car. Which step amazed you the most? Comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more incredible factory videos.